just a desire to build the best sports car in the world. A car for one driver in 1,000. A car destined to leave its mark. This is where we started. A clean sheet of paper. No boundaries. No rules. No preconceived ideas.